If you haven't already heard, there's a new kid on the block when it comes to spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Grammarly is the modern-day Spellcheck. Spellcheck that's been revamped and re-imaged for a society fueled by the written word. These days, you don't have to be good with words to sound great on the other end of that email. All you need is to install Grammarly free or premium plans. Grammarly's free plan alerts you to spelling, punctuation, or grammar mistakes in the text you write anywhere within your web browser. You can also copy and paste text into Grammarly if you're working on a document on an app such as, Notes, for example. The free plan doesn't check for things like impoliteness, inconsistent writing styles, ineffective vocab, and overused words. These things plus make up its premium plans. However, the free plan is a good place to start to find out whether the tools are useful to you. So, to get started, you'll first want to head to their website, sign up, and follow the process to add Grammarly to your browser as a plugin. Every web browser will have a Grammarly extension available. This means that everything that you write through the browser will be checked. For example, your emails, Google Docs, and more. If you'd like to manually check something that you're writing on an external app such as Microsoft Word, all you need to do is click the Grammarly icon on your browser and copy and paste the writings into the blank space. This incredible tool will then alert you to any mistakes. The goal here is to make that overall score on the top right corner as close to 100 as possible. Now, let me show you how to integrate that experience into your Gmail. Now you've downloaded the extension into your web browser, you'll notice that there's a little green Grammarly symbol whenever you go to write a new email. Click on that icon and a new screen will show with suggestions for changes to be made. Simple. No more worrying whether you've got your its down pat on that email to your customer. Grammarly's got your back.